guys, I'm wearing one of my favorite dresses from Boohoo. So Boohoo dresses are very beautiful. On the top page of Black Note, that's me. Find more information related to Boohoo, you guys can shop online. Aside from Boohoo, I'm promoting other fashion brands such as Beaumont. You can shop at Beaumont shop in Zeeland, in Hulst, Middelburg and other cities. So you can be able to buy lovely dresses and quality clothing from different brands such as Tommy Hilfiger, Superdry, Gucci. I believe they have Gucci brands, Brami jeans and more. Guys, I've changed my outfit. I'm wearing this black dress now. Very pretty and pink. Hi guys, check out the Carlton Rotterdam for your sports outfits. You can buy all kinds of outfits from different brands here. And here is Hilton Hotel Rotterdam. We also have the Mario restaurant here. So Rotterdam is very beautiful. Rotterdam is so beautiful. Hello, good evening. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ekene Patience. Today I'm going to do chit chat related to traveling, fashion, makeup, beauty, and more. Without further ado, let's get started with this video. On this channel, I share with you fashion, beauty, makeup related topics. I also like to, share with you my traveling experience, my favorite meals, and more. So if you like this kind of content, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and share. To patronize Eto, Scrub, Track Place in the Netherlands if you wish to buy very beautiful makeup items, skincare items, and more, hair care items, body care. Check out my other videos, like, comment, and share. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Underneath my arms, I like to use this black and white from Nivea. Nivea is a good brand. I also like to use this, so you guys should check it out. Now I'm going to start off with my makeup. I'm going to apply this Maybelline foundation on my face. After also need to apply maybe powder as well on my face. Guys, you get to see some things of, Istanbul and some other fun places in this video. I enjoy traveling, I enjoy creating fun videos on this channel, beauty, fashion, makeup related contents, and also travel vlogs. So if you have been watching my videos for the past years, you must have seen me create several contents and you guys like it very much. So if you wish to, watch me maybe dress my hair, wear lovely dresses, many of you like to see my outfit for the day. So this is my outfit. I'm wearing a lovely dress. So pretty. So I enjoy sharing with you my makeup look, my outfits, and doing this tutorial video, and of course sharing with you my traveling experience. Writing the blog post, so I have several things that keeps me busy on a daily basis. Also mentor and coach. So if you wish to learn about web design, or if you're lonely and you need a freelance carer, someone to talk to, someone to chat with, have fun, go out, you can always contact me. I enjoy making new friends, being creative, teaching persons my skills. For instance, if you like to learn about makeup artistry, I tend to share with you items I use, right? So you guys learn at the same time, get to know more about makeup, feminine stuff. I also love to share with you hair care, right? In different hairstyles on this channel, which guys like very much. So today I'm just doing my makeup, my hair look. It's not like very glamorous, but it's okay. It's okay, guys, because everybody loves several looks. Men like to see women look like today with pink eyes, tomorrow blue eyes, next tomorrow green eyes. So it's fun. It's fun, and that's why it's fun to be a woman. You have to experiment with makeup. So I tend to, coach photo models worldwide. Topics related to makeup, hair care, because it's fun to express yourself with makeup, and makeup doesn't have to be like very expensive. If you cannot afford, the very high-end beautiful makeup, you can wear the ones you can afford. Okay, I love makeup and I encourage you guys to wear high-end makeups. So I encourage you guys to wear what you can afford. Okay, the way you talk to me, the way you dance for me, the way you act, the way you are, makes me feel so good. The way you smile for me, the way you look at me, the way you talk, the way you smell, makes me feel so good. Guys, I'm going to sing the theme song for you. Enjoy. The way you talk to me, the way you smile for me, the way you talk, the way you act, makes me feel so good. The way you walk for me, the way you look at me, the way you smell, the way you act, makes me feel so good. brush it, apply foundation. Hello, good morning. Just came to do a little bit of room tour. So this is where So I am going to share with you how the bathroom looks like. So this is study area, so this is where you can study. Looks fabulous.